Welcome back to AndroIndian. Today we explore Organizational Process Assets, or OPAs, and why they are essential for successful software projects.
OPAs represent the institutional knowledge of an organization. They are the tools, templates, and data that help you manage projects effectively. They include templates, processes, lessons learned, and historical project data from previous successful ventures.
Unlike enterprise environmental factors, OPAs are internal assets that teams can actively improve and update after every project cycle.
OPAs are broadly divided into two categories: processes and procedures, and the corporate knowledge base. Processes and procedures define the organization's standard way of working, ensuring consistency across all departments. During initiation and planning, these assets provide specific guidelines, templates, and pre-approved supplier lists. In the execution phase, OPAs offer technical standards, communication requirements, and quality audit procedures. They also define change control procedures, outlining how project modifications are documented and authorized. Financial control procedures are also key, providing the framework for budgeting and expenditure tracking. Finally, project closing guidelines ensure that every project is wrapped up systematically, from audits to evaluations.
The second category, the corporate knowledge base, acts as the organization's institutional memory.
This includes project files from previous projects, such as scope statements, cost records, and performance baselines. Historical information allows project managers to learn from past performance and improve future estimations. One of the most valuable assets is the lessons learned repository, capturing what went right and what could be improved. It also stores issue and defect logs, providing a roadmap for resolving similar technical hurdles in new projects.
By leveraging these assets, organizations can significantly boost efficiency and maintain a high standard of consistency.
For new team members, OPAs are a goldmine of information that speeds up onboarding and reduces the learning curve. They also play a critical role in risk mitigation, helping project managers avoid pitfalls encountered in earlier projects. Remember, OPAs are living assets. They should be continuously updated and refined based on new project experiences. This culture of continuous improvement ensures that the organization's playbook always remains relevant and effective. Large-scale projects across India, from infrastructure to tech, rely on these assets to deliver value on time and within budget.
In summary, organizational process assets are the backbone of project maturity. Standardize your work, learn from the past, and keep improving.
For more guides on professional excellence, visit AndroIndian.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.